Easy DIY glass jar recycling projects for home decor. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be providing easy DIY glass jar recycling projects for home decor. Ready to transform those empty glass jars into stunning home decor pieces? Let's dive into some super easy and creative recycling projects that will add a touch of charm to your space without breaking the bank. Give your glass jars a rustic makeover with some twine. This project is incredibly simple and adds a warm, natural touch to any room. Start by applying a dab of hot glue to the bottom of the jar. Then, carefully wrap the twine around the jar, securing it with small dots of glue as you go. Continue until the entire jar is covered and voila! A beautiful, rustic vase. You can customize this project by using different colors of twine or adding embellishments like beads or buttons. Get creative and let your personality shine. Transform plain glass jars into colorful and functional organizers. This is a great way to declutter your space and add a pop of color. Clean your jars thoroughly and let them dry completely. Then, using acrylic paint, paint the outside of the jars in your desired colors. Let the paint dry completely before adding a second coat if needed. Once the paint is dry, you can add labels to the jars to identify their contents. Use them to store everything from makeup brushes to craft supplies. Create magical ambience with these enchanting fairy light lanterns. This project is perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your patio or living room. Simply insert a string of battery-operated fairy lights into a clean glass jar. Arrange the lights inside the jar to create a soft, glowing effect. You can further decorate the jars by adding ribbons, lace, or even painting them with glow-in-the-dark paint. These lanterns are perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Bring the beach to your home with these colorful sand art jars. This project is fun, easy, and adds a vibrant touch to any space. Gather different colors of craft sand. Layer the sand inside the glass jar, creating unique patterns and designs. Use a funnel to help guide the sand and prevent spills. Once you're happy with your design, seal the jar with a lid or cork. These sand art jars make beautiful decorative pieces for shelves, desks, or windowsills. Grow your own herbs indoors with this simple and sustainable project. It's a great way to add fresh flavor to your cooking and bring a touch of nature into your home. Fill the glass jars with potting soil. Plant your favorite herb seedlings in the soil, making sure to water them regularly. Place the jars in a sunny location and watch your herb garden thrive. You can label the jars with the names of the herbs for easy identification. So there you have it. 5 fantastic ways to transform those ordinary glass jars into extraordinary home decor. Which project are you most excited to try? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more DIY inspiration, and share your own glass jar creations with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy crafting!